The Universal Basic Education Commission is set to unveil a new template to address gaps in the disbursement and access to federal government counterpart funding for the Universal Basic Education UBE program. Executive Secretary of UBEC, Aisha Garba, announced this during an interactive workshop in Abuja with State Universal Basic Education Board's chairmen and desk officers from 36 states and the FCT. She said the new template, which will be subjected to further scrutiny and validation at the workshop, would remove some of the encumbrances associated with access to the intervention funds by state governments.
In order to sustain this tempo and to improve on what is already on the ground, the federal government, through the Commission, has recently realigned the delivery of basic education in line with some of the key priority areas in Nigeria. The first one is expanding access to UBE, especially for the undeserved population.
In his welcome remarks, the Deputy Executive Secretary General Services of the Commission, Tunde Ajibulu, said the realignment of the delivery of basic education necessitated the need to come up with new templates for the access of UBE intervention funds.
Efficiency and alignment with national goals. This interactive session, therefore, is a vital platform for collaboration. We look forward to your constructive inputs as key implementers at the subnational level, to ensure that the templates are not only technically sound, but also practical and adaptable to the realities across the states and the FCT.
The participants are expected to develop a workable template for seamless access of UBEC intervention funds. CNA News.